Hi Richard, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test on the Clicker 1500. I've got a steel rule die here. It's going to simulate the long cuts and maybe even the cross cuts that you're going to need. I'll start out with a thick one. I'm going to lay that down. Normally we put the die face up like this, but on this case I'm going to go ahead and flip it over like this. And as you can see, it cut the cross piece and the length piece right down the middle of your seal there. You can see that. It goes right down the middle. And again, this is the other side of that. Your cross piece that was cut off the bottom. You see the edge of that? It goes very good. And I'm going to try one more. I'm going to try one more here with a different type of die. So this is a steel rule die. This is an 1¼ inch high steel rule die with longer blades at it. And I'm just going to set this one on top. Slide that in. As you can see, with a thicker blade, it's not going to work very well. That was what I wanted to show you, that the difference in the thickness of the blade is going to make a difference. These blades are I believe these are 6-point. Yeah, these are 6-point blades, so they're a lot thicker. These blades here are 2-point blade. And that's what I believe that's what you're going to need to cut. These are very, very sharp. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and switch this board back out. Go ahead and put them right up. Put this board on top this time. You see the die actually working the way you're going to probably be using it. Now that was your thin piece, and your thick piece was the first one. Now I'm going to do the other thick one. Lay it on here, slide it in. As you can see, cuts out very, very cleanly with the thinner blades on there, right down the center of your seals there. Cross cuts are basically the same. That was on your thick piece. And we'll do the same thing with the thinner piece here. Set right on the edge of the seam. As you can see again, cuts out everything very, very cleanly, very sharp, nice edges right down the seam. The thinner blade is definitely the way you want to go with this. It's going to give you nice cuts both ways on this. I'll send you this video over, Richard. We'll discuss it. Thank you.